In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve an expired DocuSign document with a simple step-by-step process. Whether you've had agreements that recently expired or you're planning ahead for future retrieval, this guide will take you through every detail to ensure you can recover your important files with ease. So grab a cup of coffee and let's jump right into it. First things first, we need to head over to the DocuSign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in DocuSign, or use a search engine to find their official site. DocuSign is the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement solutions, making it your go-to platform for all things related to digital agreements. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button. It usually sits right at the top of the page. Give that a click to take you to the login screen. Enter your login credentials. This should be your registered email address and your secure password. If you've forgotten your credentials, you can make use of their Forgot Password feature to reset it. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage, which is essentially your command center for managing documents and agreements. Now, with DocuSign's homepage in front of you, look for the Agreements section. This is a crucial place where all your active and inactive agreements are stored. When you find the Agreements icon, click on it to open the current list of documents. Now, you might be wondering how we find those that have expired or are close to expiration. Here's the secret. Once you're on the Agreements page, direct your attention to the tab labeled Expiring Soon. It's strategically designed to quickly bring up any documents that are near their expiry dates or have already expired. Clicking on Expiring Soon will open up a list of all the documents in question. There you have it. These simple steps will get you to your expired documents without the headache of a deep search. If you need to review or take action on these files, you're in the right place. Remember, keeping track of upcoming expirations can help you avoid issues down the line, so it's good practice to routinely check this section. In summary, navigating DocuSign's platform can be a straightforward process when you know exactly where to look. Bookmark these steps and repeat them whenever you need to retrieve another document. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been a helpful resource in managing your digital agreements. Until next time, happy signing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.